Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with a Dollar Tree DIY Glam novelty mirror. So if you want to see how I put this together, just keep on watching. So here are the items that you will need to complete this DIY. You will need a full-length mirror. You can grab one of these at Walmart for like $5 or $10. You'll also need these trays from the Dollar Tree. This one, the trays are attached in a set of 3. I'll be using 8 of those, 8 sets. And then I'll also be using the single ones from the Dollar Tree as well. I'll be using 8 of those as well. And I will leave everything in the description box below so that way you don't have to be concerned with what I'm using. I'm using a pack of these mirror tiles from the Dollarama, as well as these bold big gems from the Dollarama as well. I'm using my hot glue gun and some E6000 as well. Now I'll start by placing the trays on the sides of the mirror, making sure that they're properly aligned and making that outline that I want before I actually start gluing them to the mirror. Okay, here they are. I have placed them all down, properly aligned, just like I like them on both sides. And on the very ends of the mirror, I'm using the single bowls here because there was a hangover when I used the ones that were attached. You'll see as we go along through this video. And now we are ready to glue. So I'll just pick a tray up from where I've placed it, add some E6000 to each of the bottom, just like so. And then I'll go in with my hot glue gun for a faster set. So just squirt it on each of the bottoms again, just like I did with the E6000 glue. And once that's done, I just put it back in the exact spot from which I took it, pressing it in firmly until it sets. Okay guys, so I have completed both sides of the mirror and I'm just giving it a quick check here to make sure that it's firm. And now we will move to this side where we're going to add the single trays. Because of the length of the mirror, I'm going to have to set these bowls on an angle, so therefore I want to cover that white space and I'm going to use these mirror tiles to do so. Now I've already pre-cut my mirror, and even though it's self-adhesive on the back, I'm going to add some E6000 hot glue, and I used a blade to cut it. Never use scissors because it will crack the mirror. Okay, so now I'm just peeling it away, and then I'm going to get my E6000 glue, just add some to the back of the mirror tiles. And guys, I don't like working with E6000 so much. I prefer the smaller tubes or any one of those cements from the Dollar Tree. Is easy to work with, but this is what I had, so I'm using what I have. So on that, I'm adding some hot glue, and then I'm just going to place it down on those exposed areas so that the white doesn't come shining through when I place the bowls down. Now you could always spray paint your mirror edge or the border so you don't have to put the tile down, but I didn't spray paint, so here's what I'm doing. You can also use bling wrap or glitter if you have it. And now that we have our mirror tiles securely adhered, it's time to move on to the next step, which is to place the bowls on the top. Same method, add you some E6000 glue, then some hot glue, and place them on an angle. And here we are, guys. We are all done. It's back up on the wall and it's beautiful. I lost a little bit of footage with me putting the gems inside the bowls, but that was easy. All I did was just added some hot glue to the bottom and just placed them inside. I also went in and added some totally dazzled gems that you can see at the very top there. Remember, now this is a fun piece, so we're having fun with it. So I just added some hot glue to the brooches. I took the backs off with the scissors and just placed them on the mirror. Just very beautiful, very dainty, very fun. I think it turned out beautifully. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. And here's another way I've styled it, guys. I'm using it as a runner on top of my vanity with some candle holders, a beautiful bouquet of flowers, and some other little things that I love. You could also use this on your dining table. When you have your tablescapes, make that the centerpiece and you can fill the inside with whatever you want to use. I think it is absolutely beautiful and I just love the way it turned out. See, the gems are still there. It's just this guys with this beautiful frame with a picture of me. And like I said, I glued it on with the hot glue, so if at any time I want to remove it, I can just simply pop it from the mirror and we are good to go. Another quick decor change, and here we are. It's in the same space. I've just added different items to it, different tones. These are some brass stones along with some other DIYs that I did from the Dollar Tree, and I think it just looks beautiful. It is timeless, it is elegant, it is glamorous, and you can have multiple uses from this beautiful mirror in any part of your home. Okay guys, and that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. This was so much fun to make, and I'm gonna keep it in my office, right? It's very girly and I love that about it. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Picture family by hitting the subscribe button below. And honey, don't forget that notification bell. That way you're the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely penny pinchers who's always with me, thank you guys so much. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye bye.